Hello, parents. I hope you are fine and well. My first tip is something that I learned the other day about the app switcher on your device, so on Android or iPhone. I don't know about you, but when my kids get my phone, the first thing that they do is say, "Oh, Dad, you've got so many apps open." And what they tend to do is they will open the app switcher like this and they'll go, right, close that, close that, close that, close that. And you'll see them going through all of the different apps and closing them down. That does not save power. And if you don't believe me, you can read about the article here. Actually, the latest version of iOS 17.4 does drain the battery a little bit faster than normal. And there's some other features here that you can switch on and off, which I'll talk about in a future 3 and 3. So leave all of those apps open. They go into a suspended mode, don't use very much battery power at all, but reopening them does. My second tip, I remember I talked to you about subscribing to the school calendar on Android and iOS, but I didn't talk about laptops. So how do we do that? When you navigate to the school calendar, you can see I've got my school calendar here. I've dialed in the year groups for the kids that are mine in, and I clicked refresh. Down here, there is a subscribe button. And when you click on the subscribe button, you can copy the URL. I use Outlook, but you can do the same in other mail apps on your laptop or Mac. And in Outlook, what I can do, I already have the calendar here, and you can see I can switch on and off the calendar with one click and see if there's a clash with my personal calendar. How did I get that? So you right click on here, add calendar from internet, and I paste in the URL and click OK, and that will subscribe with the whole school calendar. Really useful. My last tip is it's actually another video to go and watch. And this is a video that we share with the students in terms of the what happens when you've got your mobile phone next to you or near you when you want to do deep work. Now, our students, obviously it's homework, but for us, it may be focusing on a particular project. And this is a very short video talking about what it's a bit like app switching, that when you switch from your work and to your phone and back again, you're using up a lot of cognitive load and energy. So it's best to have that device as far away from you as possible whilst you are doing or trying to do that deep work. Take care. Bye-bye.